Hello, today we will solve question number 19 from grade 2020 Mechanical Engineering Set 1 paper. The question is, for the three vectors A vector, B vector and C vector, where I, J and K heads are the unit vectors along the axis of a right-handed rectangular coordinate system, the value of A vector dot B vector cross C vector plus 6 is. To solve this question, one can refer to the NPTEL course video lecture, which is mentioned over the right top corner. So we have to find first A vector dot B vector cross C vector. To find this, we have two ways. The first one is just find B vector cross C vector first and do the dot product with A vector. So it involves two operations. It involves two operations. First one is cross product and second one is dot product. So it is bit lengthy process. So we will go for the second method, that is by using the definition of scalar triple product. The scalar triple product is given by the dot product of first vector with the cross product of other two vector. So if we see the geometrical interpretation of this, so first we draw the A vector, B vector and C vector. So this is A vector, this is B vector, and suppose this is C vector. So if we join these vectors, we will get one parallelepiped. So we are getting this kind of shape. So basically the A vector dot B cross C vector represents the volume of parallelepiped. Now we will look some properties of this scalar triple product. Properties: if A vector, B vector and C vector are given as A vector is equal to A1 I hat plus B1 A2 J hat plus A3 K hat. Similarly, B vector is B1 I hat plus B2 J hat plus B3 K hat. C vector is C1 I hat plus C2 J hat plus C3 K hat. Then A cross B dot C is equal to the determinant of A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Also, this is the first property. The second property is the position of dot product and cross product can be interchanged without interchanging the vector. So this is A cross B dot C is equal to A dot B cross C. The third property is, suppose this is in the cyclic order. So A, B, C. So this scalar product is denoted by A, B, C in the square bracket. So we can interchange this vector such that the cycle of this vector should be the same. So this means this is equal to B vector, C vector, and A vector, and this is also equal to C vector, A vector, and then B vector. We can see that A, B, C here, then this is the cycle clockwise, then B, C, A, this is also clockwise, and C, A, B, this is also clockwise. So if we interchange only two vector such that A vector, B vector, C vector is here. So if we change two vectors like this, B vector, A vector, and C vector. So we have changed the direction. So this is the anti-clockwise direction. B vector, A vector, and C vector. So here should be minus. Now we will solve the question. So question is, A vector is given as 2j hat minus 3k hat. B vector is minus 2I hat plus k hat, and C vector is 3I hat minus j hat. So first we find out A vector dot B vector cross C vector. So this is equal to the coefficient of this A vector, that is 0, 2, minus 3, then B vector minus 2, 0, and 1, and C vector is 3, minus 1, 0. So we will solve this determinant. So we will get 0 minus 2 into 0 minus 3 minus 3, 2 minus 0. So here we are getting as 0. So we have to find this A vector B cross C plus 6. So this is 0 plus 6, that is equal to 6. So this is the answer. Answer is 6.